UK LLC helper scripts will load your project's data from the database into the program of your choice. The Python helper is provided in the S drive at reador/python-help/notebook helper as two files including a Jupyter Notebook workspace template and a Python file of useful functions. Copy notebook-template.ipy and notebook-helper.py into your project directory and open Notebook template in Jupyter Notebook. To do so, open an Anaconda prompt and activate your Python environment as described in setting up a Python environment. Then navigate to your project directory and launch Jupyter Notebooks by typing Jupyter Notebook. Once you have opened the notebook, work through each of the cells in turn to learn the different ways you can access your data with Python. If you would like more information about working in Jupyter Notebooks, we recommend you use the guidance at jupyter.org. You are welcome to alter your copies of the Python helper files as you see fit.